talking.
Hello?
What you did today?
I got up.
What you fucked up?
I got up, stupid.
What did you got up?
Went to the post office.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
and come home, I had game waiting for me.
What did you?
Yes, I come home and beat Dave up on the PS3.
Oh, did you liked it?
Yes, I did really much.
Yeah. And what else you done?
I do hoovering.
Alright.
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
hoovering.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
And what else you done?
Went out for food.
What did you eat?
Yes.
Gas?
Yes, I ate food, yes.
Yeah. Ah, stop pushing about with your foot.
What? I'm trying to eat my foot.
Well, I didn't ask you to eat that.
I'm going to pick my nose.
Oh, are you? Why did you pick your nose?
I like picking my nose.
Oh, do you like it?
Yes. How many minutes now?
1.5.
How many minutes? 3 minutes.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Right.
Alright.
So, how'd the PlayStation 3 for you?
Very good.
Graphics?
Yes.
What did you play? What game you played on it?
UFC.
So you played the American style?
Yes.
What's that, boxing, racing?
Better boxing, but street fighting new enough.
Right. It was on TV before?
I think so, Sky.
Oh, Sky you said. Or
It's a bit like WWF.
Oh, right, similar range. What's that was?
Nice, didn't it?
Did you like it?
Yes, very nice.
What flavour was it?
Boost.
Oh, Boost.
Fibre.
You got pissed with it?
No.
Soft drinks.
Yes.
What did it taste like, a flavour?
Tastes like chocolate.
You like chocolate?
No.
Why not?
What?
Why do you like chocolate?
What's the chocolate?
Why don't you like chocolate?
I do, I love chocolate. Yes.
What are the flavours you liked?
What are flavours?
What, you tell me.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Oh, it's like hitting yourself.
Oh!
What are you hitting yourself for?
Ouch!
Why are you hitting yourself?
What do you say?
I don't know what you said.
Pig?
Get to 3 minutes.
Now?
3 minutes.
Tell me when 3 minutes.
No.
Okay, press it then.